Morning, guys. Beautiful day. It's a little chilly though. We are ready to go for our first job this morning. So everything is set in the trailer. It's going to be a full detail inside and out. Stay tuned. Man, it's chilly. First job. We have this Ford F-150. We're going to be doing our diamond service, so full interior and exterior. Cloth seats, really not too bad. Really not too bad at all. He does have the nice liners. The carpet is black, so at least that will look nice. So we're just gonna steam everything. I don't think we're gonna have to go extractor on this. And the only thing that he noticed was that little mark there. So we'll see what we can do. Black paint, really nice black metallic paint. Nice wheels, so let's get started. So with our trailer, man, it's a little bit messy. I need to organize this a little bit better, but that's okay. We just had a couple of busy days of work.
You want to back up a little bit?
Yeah, I do. Okay. And ready to dry. So we're going to use our blow dryer here and our nice towels and dry everything and then begin waxing. So before water spots show up on the wheels, I wipe it down with the drying aid, and in this case, why not use bead maker? Adds protection, dries everything perfectly. It's a win-win. And I'll dress the tires after the detail is done, so don't let water dry on your wheels, especially if you're in the sun, which I am. Okay, so everything is now dried. We're hitting all the trim, the wheels, and we're going to wax. So I'm going to use my polisher with a soft black pad. Let's see what we can use for protection. And I also have my detailer's helper belt. Don't forget that. Let's see. Let's use this. Finishing wax. Oh yeah, that's nice. You can wipe on and wipe off right away with this product. Great in the sun, it's awesome. So make sure to get all these little bits. The finishing wax is perfect for polishing chrome. So with this Ford truck, man, you have a lot of chrome to polish up here. But just grab a little microfiber applicator, get underneath the lips here, because there's bug accumulation. Get all these little tight areas. And don't worry if water gets caught in there, because it actually plays well with it and it doesn't affect durability or anything. And this will remove all the little bugs that are up here too. Take it away, hon. And we're also using a little bit of Meguiar's Last Touch. I love this stuff. So if there's any light smearing or any little fingerprints or smudges, just use that and it takes care of it. Great stuff. It's looking really nice and glossy. And now we're gonna get started on the interior. So guys, one of the reasons why I don't always talk to the camera with my other videos is because I have the generator running. It's pretty loud, so it just doesn't make for good video. That's why I'm shooting this. This is more raw, and I can just talk a little bit more freely with you guys because I'm not going to go crazy with editing.